Hello everyone, I am Siddharth Devnath and I am a highway engineer. Today I want to show you something very important regarding road maintenance, especially how to handle crack in PQC. If you see crack like this on a road, here is the professional repair process we follow. First we use the chipping tool or a hammer to remove the damaged concrete along the crack. Once the loose material is out, we use an air compressor to blow out all the dust. It is crucial that the area is completely clean before we proceed. For the repair, we use a specialized chemical, Sadak Revive. These products come in two components, part A and this is part B. It has a dry and painless texture. We take both parts in 1:1 ratio. Mix them properly for 8 to 10 minutes, as we can see here. Our team is wearing gloves for safety. We'll ensure the mixture become perfectly. Then we use manual door mode to compact. The best part of the material, you don't need to wait for a long time. Traffic can pass over it almost immediately, and it will continue to self-compact under the weight of the vehicle. That's all, guys. Thank you.